Don't download Peloton bike app before watching this. Before you download the Peloton bike app, here's what most people overlook. It's not just a fitness app. It provides live and on-demand classes, tracking metrics, and social engagement, but without planning, it can be expensive and underutilized. Step 1. Define your fitness goals. Decide if you want strength, endurance, or overall health. Most people get this wrong by subscribing without a plan, resulting in wasted time and money. Step 2. Understand costs. Peloton's hardware, subscription, and accessories add up. The surprising truth is, many users underestimate total cost, expecting casual use to justify full price. Step 3. Set up a workout schedule. Consistency is key. Without scheduling, even great classes won't lead to results. Step 4. Track progress. Use metrics like output, cadence, and heart rate to monitor improvements. Teams that ignore tracking often plateau quickly. The upside: proper Peloton use can improve cardiovascular health, increase endurance, and make workouts engaging through live classes and challenges. So should you download it? Yes, but only if you define fitness goals, budget realistically, schedule workouts consistently, and track progress. For casual users, alternative apps or gyms may be more cost-effective. Subscribe for tips on making Peloton work for your fitness journey.